Hey, Matt Brulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm just going to do a quick overview of the 15 Montauk we have here in stock. 2024, brand new. This boat is going to be coming with your Mercury 60 horsepower. You get your onboarding ladder right here. This comes with the light blue hull with the chrome graphics. Boat motor trailer included in the price when you call me. This one, we left the screen spot blank. You could add a Simrad, any other brand you like. We recommend Simrad from the factory. Underneath, you got some storage. You got your battery strips when you get on board and start on your engines. This has a fishing package. So it's going to have your 4 additional rod holders, and it comes with the cooler seat. We've already added the bow cushion. You can add other stuff at dealer level if you wanted to. But this boat's pretty well equipped, ready to go. So if you're interested in this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please give me a call. 603-320-5524. Thank you very much.